What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Lion Group Holdings, ticker symbol LGHL, has 10x written all over it because it's still massively undervalued, relatively unknown, and has a market cap of just 90 million. There are several reasons why I think this stock is going to do extremely well in the next 6 months. But first, let's start with a quick overview of what the company does. LGHL, or as I like to call the Robinhood of China, is an all-in-one financial trading platform focused on Chinese investors. They're also now expanding into the crypto space. Now, if you want a more in-depth breakdown of what this company does and why I think it's a really exciting investment opportunity, then check out that video I made a month ago. I'll add the link in the description below. But in this video, I want to talk about some new, exciting observations. So the first thing that I want to point out here is that even though this is a relatively unknown company, this is changing at a rapid pace. Only 1 month ago, the number of people watching LGHL was around 5,000 on Stockton, and now this number has more than doubled. There are over 12,000 people watching LGHL on Stockton. This is important because companies with small floats like LGHL can easily move up in share price with a moderate increase in the number of people buying or holding the stock. Now, although LGHL has a number of things going for it, it seems like they're also about to get involved in the NFT space, which could be huge for this stock. Initially, I heard rumors about this on Twitter and Reddit, and one person on Reddit made a post about this not too long ago. So I had to do some investigational work just to make sure whether there's any truth to the rumors, and the answer might surprise you. The first thing you need to take into account is that LGHL not too long ago announced a strategic partnership with Shores Technology. Essentially, Lion intends to hire Shores Technology as a consultant to provide blockchain technology support, advice on operations, and consulting services in operating digital asset trading platforms. Then I went to Shores' website and found this press release. They recently announced a strategic cooperation with the 9 Ltd. And this is where it gets interesting. The company intends to set up a wholly owned subsidiary, namely Shores Digital Art Group Ltd, for establishing non-fungible tokens (NFTs) that focus on Chinese artworks and cover global mainstream artworks. On 16th March 2021, the company and the 9 Ltd signed a strategic cooperation agreement in respect of establishment of a joint venture company in exploring opportunities in the field of NFT. The company will principally engage in NFT project investment and selecting high-quality NFT projects. NFTs focusing on Chinese digital artworks, covering global mainstream digital artworks and promoting unique digital artworks, the ownership of which can be confirmed. So to sum it all up, LGHL announced a strategic partnership with Shores, and Shores will help LGHL with blockchain technology support, advice on operations, and consulting services. And Shores themselves are getting involved in NFTs, so I won't be surprised if they help LGHL to adopt the NFT technology. If LGHL announces something along these lines, the share price could go to the moon. Don't forget, LGHL is extremely undervalued as it is when compared to its peers, so spike up is justified as it is, but with the news like this, we can expect a huge jump. So what's the bottom line with this stock? This is a risky play because quite frankly, we can't even say for sure that this company actually exists. However, if it is legit, then it's a 10x opportunity without a doubt. LGHL makes up a small portion of my portfolio, but I love the risk to reward ratio here. My target price is around $50, but I'll look to take profits along the way as it continues its journey to the moon. The reason I look to take profits along the way is simply because with companies like LGHL, you can almost bet that sooner or later a short seller report will come out. So it's a good idea to secure profits and protect your gains. Anyways guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.